Alright, good morning. Unboxing video. I got a couple packages from Marty Smith. Bill Taylor turned me on to a point trade deal I have on Facebook on Rock Connection Lithics or something like that. So I signed up for it and I drew, I think there's 40 some guys on there. And they pair each other up. Oh, there's a moderator, a guy. Pairs different guys up. I drew another Marty. His name is Marty Smith out of Florida. So he sent me a point, and then I turned around and sent him a point. So here's the point. He's got it packaged up in a couple of boards and some good cushionings. Okay, let's see. Kind of contraption here. That goes off. There's the there it is. Yep, there it is. I don't know what kind of point it is, but that's the one. I even got a couple some new toys. I bought myself a digital outfit here. Let's check it out, see if it works. Yep. So we'll do the width. The width is 46. Yep, 46. The thickest part is 6.5. Yeah, 6.5. So 46 into 6.5. Divided by 6.5, 7 to 1. 7 to 1, and then it's, I don't know if I can measure it with this thing. Is there inches? Right now I should, yeah, it says inches. Millimeters, inches. Oh, dang there. Doesn't do it. 42 inches. Or not even that. 4 inches. The maximum. 5 and 6/8, 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. 5 and 5/8. Yeah, 1 notch after half. 1/8 notch. And I got some steps in it, but pretty nice point. Tip's kind of beveled. Sharp though. Sides ain't sharp, but the tip is sharp. So there's that, and then this thing. I taped everything. Oh, and there's this guy. I don't know what it weighs, but it's a good size medium box full of rock. So not only did we do a point trade, we did a material trade too. So I went ahead and sent him some KRF. I don't know if he's gonna like it or not, but we'll hear back from him. This is all on Facebook Messenger that I've been in contact with him. Got it double boxed. There's some chips in there. That box I sent was 23 pounds, so I don't know what this weighs, but I forget what it's called. Coastal or something. Some nodules. Smaller stuff and one big one. Oh yeah, got some cool stuff in it. One, two, three, 4, 5. This one's got a bullseye. 6. A bigger one. 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got some character too. 15 pieces. I lift it up a little bit. That big rock must have been pushing on there. Got a hole in there right there. Let's see through it. Everything was double boxed. Alright, let's mess with this stuff a little bit. Oh yeah, I was telling you I got some goodies too. I got that caliper and then I bought some files and a couple pairs of magnifying glasses. I lost my magnifying glasses in Brady. What the heck I did with them. Alright, let's check out Marty's material here. I'll go second gear on it here. Trying to get a biface out of it quick. That's nice. Pretty hard spot right there. Got it. Some kind of concrete stuff there, yeah, in that corner. Okay, just about got it skinned. A little bit left right there. There we go. Get some of that out of there. Good material. Got a spall too. There's something going on right here in this corner and right there. Some kind of stuffed. Tough material right there. Whatever that is. Chalky. Some of it. All that stuff is gone. That's good. I don't know what that is. Tougher than heck. It's flat, like to flatten this side out now. How do we go about that? Got stuff here, but there's no, I guess it's kind of alright. Try it once. Start here, and then I'll start. Think about that a little bit. I want to hit into that with this stuff and those ridges. I don't know. That don't seem like a good idea. I might maybe raise this up a little bit and then send them. Okay, got it raised up. Yeah, I did pretty good. Got the hump off of it. Do the same thing here. Scrape that over. Oh, jeez. Must have been a crack in there. Or I hit it too deep or something. Look at that, I didn't break. Too mean with it. Let's see here. What are we at? 17 minutes. Part of that hinge out, starting on that hinge. Trying to get it out. Tighten up my leg thing. Might want to adjust this up a little bit too. Just a bit. Make sure it's not slipping. There we go. Yeah, got it out. Got most of it off. A little bit left right there in the center. That stuff. Let's cut this out here. I don't know what that is, but it's not an apple ball. Yep, it's not an apple, but whatever it is. Ah, darn it. I should have held that back end of it. Because of that stuff. That's what I should have did. Cut it out one swoop. What do we got? Okay, got a working edge. Well, made a triangle. I could get a point out of that. But it was going to be bigger. I think it was like that. I was trying to get that dang chalky stuff off and ended up breaking it. Had the side tooth in. Then I didn't support it when I nailed it. But it's a good material. Just gotta learn it, I guess. Learn the zones. The zones of the rock. Make sure my ends are thin before I fool around. Hit in the middle. Alright. Thanks, Marty. Good rock. Hope you like my KRF.